All right, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize again. We have a few things to take care of. We're just going to go ahead and take our morning recess now for 15 minutes. Do not discuss the case and do not talk to anybody, okay? Do not do any outside research. Sorry, that was the same thing.
So today the judge made a mistake. It might not be a major or groundbreaking mistake, but it did show us that everyone is under pressure on how the case is going to end this week. Even we at Phil Streaker at the edges of our chairs anticipating how this week would end, so obviously the judge is no exception. To put more pressure on her is the fact that the case is being broadcasted worldwide and has garnered a lot of fans who are interested in the final decision of the jury. See how stressed and on edge she is. They all are. They've had these mini meetings a couple of times today, and one of those meetings lasted a long time. It's not quite accurate what was being talked about, but for a meeting to be that long, it had to be something serious. To be honest, the courtroom, just as much as the viewers, have gone through a roller coaster of information that has been astonishing and overwhelming. We've had the defecating incident where Johnny accused Amber, a 36-year-old woman, of going number 2 on their bed.
Here's a photograph of the bed, our bed. And on my side of the bed, was human fecal matter.
This was just as surprising as it was disgusting, but Amber refused the accusations, claiming it was Johnny's sick dog, Boo. He also accused Amber of severing his finger with a vodka glass bottle, and he even presented images of proof.
And I walked behind the bar, and there was a larger bottle of vodka, the kind with the handle, you know, on it. I grabbed that, and I went and I sat in my seat again. I opened the bottle, and I poured myself a shot and drank it. Miss Heard was flinging insults left, right, and center, and she then grabbed that bottle and threw that at me. I honestly didn't feel the pain at first at all. I felt no pain whatsoever. What I felt was, I felt heat. I felt heat, and I felt as if something were dripping down my hand, you know. And then I looked down and realized that the tip of my finger had been severed. I think that I went into some sort of, I don't know what a nervous breakdown feels like, but that's probably the closest that I've ever been. Nothing made sense. And I knew in my mind and in my heart, this is not life. This is not life.
On Amber's end, she has accused Johnny of hitting her multiple times with picture evidence of her bruised face. There's also been the sexual assault allegations that Amber claimed her ex-husband, Johnny, did to her.
Pressure, I felt this pressure on my pubic bone. And I remember her just not wanting to move.
The entire claim was heartbreaking and cruel and really painful to comprehend. The thing is, one of these two has been telling lies, and it's the jury's work to find out who it is. I can't imagine how stressed the jury is right now, still trying to figure out and pinpoint the liar. The judge, being the overseer for the jury, must be just as stressed and pressured as they are, and it's beginning to show. Today, the court has had a motion before the jury was brought in which Johnny's team was trying to nullify Amber's counterclaim of defamation, and the judge had to deny this motion on the basis that Adam Waltman, Johnny's ex-attorney, acted on malice. She then had to apologize to the jury for bringing them in late, as the court had some inner issues that they had to resolve.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize. We had a few housekeeping matters to take care of, but thank you. You can have your seat.
She's done a good job so far, and it's quite understandable that the pressure is getting to her this last week. For about 3 weeks, she's had to listen to both Johnny's and Amber's team while sustaining and overruling objections on both ends. She's had to deal with weird witnesses and also giving counsel to the lawyers whenever needed. She hasn't been biased to anyone's side, and we hope that after the trial is over, she can take a break and rest for a couple days because she deserves it. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.